Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm in my workshop and I'm going to show you my order that I've received, my t-shirt blanks I've received from Gildan. These are my t-shirts. The first one that I ordered, these are blacks and blue. I have them in various sizes. I have in size S, M, large also. So this is the hoodies that I ordered. I wanted to check the quality. This is 100% cotton and 100% polyester. So I really love it. It's not those type that when you wear, you start picking dirty. This one is really nice. I love the texture. I love how it feels to the hand. Look at it. This is how it is inside. It has this fleece inside to keep you warm during winter. I really love the texture of it, so I only ordered one to see how it will be. I don't want to order in bulk so that I will not be disappointed by the quality of the material. So I really love the material, is good. I will order from them to make my hoodies. See, look at it. 50% cotton, 50% polyester. It's very nice. This is size M. Sorry, I'm doing this video alone. My daughter is not at home now to help me out with it. She has gone to school, so I have to make this video. I just received the order. See, this is size M, medium size. I like the texture of it. It will not give me problem. So I ordered this from Fruit of the Loom t-shirt. The blue, you can see Fruit of the Loom. The quality is nice. It's cool to the hand. It's 100% cotton. 100% cotton. It's very nice also. Then this white is from Gildan. This is Gildan, and the texture also is very nice. I've already I tried this one. No, not yet. So I like the cotton. It's 100% cotton. It feels good to the hand. It feels cool. It feels nice. So this is what I'm going to be printing my t-shirt with. This is it. So I will arrange them later. This is my little workshop. My t-shirt business has begun. Look at it. Please like this video, share and comment. You place your orders. I make t-shirt for birthday, Father's Day, any celebration you want to do. This is Sensational Lifestyle with Helen. This is my new business line. So I actually make Christian clothing line. My t-shirt, I print some messages, some Bible scripture from the Bible. I print them on my t-shirt. So if you are interested, anyone that I print, I will make a video of it. So if you are interested, you can make an order from it. Thank you very much. So don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for spending time with us today. Have a nice day and bye.